Hello, everyone. I'm Richard Tokar. I'm a computer technology teacher with a passion for preparing students for the evolving world of technology. I'm excited to introduce you to two fantastic Cisco courses that I've personally seen make a difference in the classroom: Introduction to Data Science and Data Analytics Essentials. These courses are designed to empower the next generation of data professionals by providing them with hands on experience in tools like SQL, Excel, and Tableau. So, whether you're a fellow educator or a tech enthusiast, these courses are essential for building foundational skills in a data driven world. Data professionals are in higher demand than ever before. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, jobs in fields like data science, analytics, and engineering are projected to grow significantly over the next decade. This presents a huge opportunity for students interested in data driven careers. So, whether it's analyzing trends in healthcare, business, or even entertainment, the need for skilled data professionals will only increase as more industries rely on data to make informed decisions. So, I'd like to quickly walk you through the setup process for both courses. As you can see, these courses are designed with a self-paced option. However, I personally prefer to lead the courses myself as the instructor. It's a straightforward setup, and I find that having an instructor-led format allows for more interactive learning and real-time support for the students. However, they are designed to be used with a self-paced option. Since Intro to Data Science is only a 6 hour course, I'll spend just a few minutes covering it before focusing on the more comprehensive data analytics course. The intro course provides a basic understanding of data science, analytics, and engineering with no prior experience required. While it's designed to be a prerequisite to data analytics essentials, both courses can actually be used as standalone options in a relatively seamless way, depending on your learning goals. That said, I'll devote the majority of time to data analytics essentials since it offers 30 hours of hands on experience with real world applications. So let me start with the Intro to Data Science course. This is a 6 hour self paced learning experience, which is designed for high school, secondary, and 2 year college students. It introduces learners to fundamental data concepts, the role of data in business and technology, and the impact of data on industries like healthcare and education. This course covers key topics such as data analytics, data collection, big data, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. It includes multimedia content, interactive labs, quizzes, and a final exam. Upon completion, students receive a digital badge, making it a perfect starting point for anyone interested in data driven careers. So, while Intro to Data Science provides a great foundation, it's just the beginning. For those looking to dive deeper into real world applications and hands on experience, the Data Analytics Essentials course is where the real magic happens. This 30-hour course takes students beyond the basics, equipping them with practical skills and tools like Excel, SQL, and Tableau, tools they'll actually use in the field. So let's shift gears and focus on how data analytics essentials prepares students for data driven careers. The Data Analytics Essentials course is a comprehensive 30-hour program that equips students with the practical skills needed for real world data analysis. It covers key tools like Excel for data transformation and organization, SQL for querying relational databases, and Tableau for creating visualizations and dashboards. This course is ideal for anyone looking to enter the field of data, offering hands on experience that's applicable across industries. In this lab on basic Excel concepts, students will learn essential skills starting with basic formulas and functions. They'll enter calculations like addition and subtraction, use cell references, and explore built in functions like sum and average. The lab also covers number formatting, allowing students to apply currency and percentage formats. By the end, they'll have hands on experience that builds a solid foundation in Excel, ready for more advanced data analysis tasks. In this lab on importing data into Excel, we will explore how to review and import data files, specifically focusing on delimited text files and CSV files. Students will analyze a text file and save it as a CSV, making it ready for Excel. They'll then learn to open the CSV file in Excel, allowing the program to recognize column headings and records based on delimiters. I enjoy this lab because it clearly demonstrates the relationship between CSV files and Excel spreadsheets. Additionally, these processes work seamlessly with Google Sheets as well, which I've successfully used in my teaching. Moving on, in this Excel practice lab, students will create a worksheet titled Sales Data, where they'll enter data and format the columns. They will add formulas to calculate total cost, revenue, and profit for product sales. Finally, they'll use the sum function to find the totals and save their workbook as bike sales data before closing Excel. This hands on practice reinforces essential Excel skills. Moving on to more advanced topics, in chapters 3 and 4, we explore essential concepts for preparing and transforming data for analysis. Chapter 3 covers how to obtain appropriate data, detailing various sources, including structured files like CSVs and unstructured data from sources like social media. It emphasizes the importance of configuring data to meet analysis requirements. Chapter 4 focuses on using Excel for data transformation, including functions and formulas to sort, filter, format, and perform calculations on data. Together, these chapters equip students with foundational skills for effective data analysis. Modules 6 and 7 provide the best SQL instruction I've ever seen, including relational databases and SQL. Students will learn to formulate structured queries, manage basic data concepts, and create SQL queries to select and output data. They'll explore relational database structures, work with multiple tables, and utilize join functions for data extraction. This comprehensive approach prepares learners to effectively manage and analyze data using SQL. So let's get into it. What truly stands out in this course is its visualizations. For example, when you perform a select operation from shapes, you receive results not only in a tabular format, but also visually represented. This feature is incredibly engaging, and students really enjoy it. Here's another query where we select countries based on their area. This tool provides immediate feedback when errors occur, guiding students in making corrections. It is a great way to enhance their learning experience. To enhance learning a bit beyond the outstanding course material, I set up a database using the free tier of a cloud database on Azure. I then had the students run queries against it, allowing them to apply the visualization concepts from the Cisco course to a real world application. I encourage you to consider implementing something similar. Additionally, I set up a free NoSQL database using MongoDB. This allowed students to compare this different database methodology using another real world application. Perhaps this could be a valuable addition to your classroom as well. Finally, I want to discuss Tableau, and I cannot express how impressed I am with this software. I had not used it before teaching this course, but I can confidently say it makes learning data visualization incredibly accessible. In this module, students will explore the Tableau interface, import data, and create various visualizations. I collaborated with the health occupations class at our school for an exciting project. Health students collected anonymous measurements from volunteers, including height, weight, blood pressure, pulse, temperature, and respiration, both before and after exercise. My computer students then analyzed the results using Tableau, allowing us all to visualize how exercise impacts these metrics. The visual representations made it much easier to understand and explain the data. In conclusion, both the Cisco Introduction to Data Science and Data Analytics Essentials offer valuable pathways for students to dive into the world of data. These courses not only equip learners with essential skills in SQL, Excel, and Tableau, but also emphasize the practical application of these tools through real world examples. As educators, our goal is to inspire the next generation of data professionals by providing them with hands on experiences and fostering a deeper understanding of how data shapes our world. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to seeing how you implement these insights in your teaching.